Hello kids, today World Science Day. So we are going to do a science experiment. Lemon floating in salt water. Let me start the experiment. The lemon floating in salt water experiment for kids is to explore the concept of buoyancy and understand how the density of liquids affect the ability of object to float. Through this experiment, kids can learn that the density of the saltwater solution affects the buoyancy of the lemon. When the saltwater solution is denser than the lemon, it will float. When the density of the solution is lower than that of the lemon, it will sink. By varying the concentration of salt, kids can observe how it affects the ability of the lemon to float in the saltwater.